Hey guys, I'm glad to see you back on my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look tutorial with the Throwback makeup. I hope you guys will enjoy the video and let's get started. I've begun with a New York City HD color number 793 Fashion Bootcamp palette. And this is a beautiful palette. I bought it a long time ago and it's time to do some look again with it. For an overflowed look, I've begun with a light color from this palette and then I use the darkest color. And then for a half cut crease, I'll use the color Creamy Beige, and this is from the LA Girl, and I apply it half above my eyelid. Next, I continue with the lightest color from this palette, and then in the outer corner of my eyes, which I love to do, I just finish this look with the two darkest green color from this palette. And in today's video, I'm going to use no eyeliner, just a W7 pencil, and this is the 3-in-1. Then underneath my eye, I use the darkest green color. And I continue with the primer. I use a Nivea Men as a primer. This is the first thing that I just did use on my first video, okay? And yes, it's a good one, okay? It's still a good one. Next, I'll use the color Heavenly Honey, and this is from the Black Opal. I love this color. I love this foundation because it matches my skin very well. And I apply it first with a brush and then I just finish it with the sponge. Next, for the highlight, I'll use the color Pure Beige. This is also Pro Concealer from the LA Girl. Yes, I'm a big fan. I admit it. And yes, I want just highlight today, not too much. And I don't want to contour my face with a concealer. So I just go ahead with a brush and concealer for a sharper line. Next, I continue with a banana powder for bake my concealer and also my foundation. And this is from the Benai Luxury powder, and I just love this powder. I bought it once and I still got it, and it's just goddess, okay? I still love you. And next, I'll use the bronzant powder, and this is from the brand Freedom for contour my face. Then for the blush, I'll use the color Precious number 003, and this is from the BE Creative Makeup. And then for some highlight, I use this palette that I got so long ago. This is from Sleek, and I have one color left that I use, so I just use it, okay? And then I continue with the lashes, and this lashes is double the Fun Volume Length number 06. This is from the Essence. And then I continue with the mascara. This is the waterproof mascara, Lash Sensational. This is from the Maybelline, a good one. And then for my lips, I continue with, yes, the one and only, I said, because I just love it, Smart Fusion, and this is the color 510. This is from Kiko Milano. And guys, yes, I forgot to film this part from this lipstick, but yes, I will name it also. This is the lipstick that I use from Tease, but I just thought that it was filming, but it's not. This is the Dessert Lush Sheer Lipstick. This was my throwback makeup look for today. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. More to come. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And thanks for the love and support. Bye.